peek out between the towering Jeffrey pines and quaking aspens, their branches casting shifting patterns of shade across the pavement. To your right, the lake flickers into view between private piers, its blue surface glimmering like glass. The ride here is smooth and easy, perfect for settling into the pace while soaking in the small town charm of Incline Village's most scenic road. After a short stretch, the boulevard delivers you to the East Shore trailhead. The transition is immediate. You leave behind the neighborhood calm and roll into a wide, welcoming path that hugs the shoreline. From here, the ride becomes a showcase of Tahoe's wide beauty. Granite boulders rising from the turquoise coves, wooden bridges crossing rocky inlets, and the scent of pine and sagebrush carried on the breeze. As the trail flows south, every curve reveals another postcard view. Hidden beaches glow gold in the sun, kayakers drift between boulders, and osprey wheel above the water. Even when the path pulls closer to the highway, the lake never leaves your side, always shimmering, always pulling your gaze back to the horizon. Finally, the trail leads you into San Harbor State Park. A gentle climb opens into a sweeping view of the East Shore, the perfect finale to the ride. Here, the lake stretches endlessly before you, framed by rugged granite and alpine sky.